Hello again, welcome back. So this is the second video in a series from the St George Hotel and Spa. This little one is going to be a little short one. Have a look around the swimming area. Now it's just kind of around about 6 o'clock now, so most people have finished, so I thought I'd come down and film it quickly just so people can have a look. Now there's a couple of swim up bars, or one swim up bar, which is this one here. People are sitting down. Very nice. A swim up pool. Swim up pool. Very nice. And there's another little bar, snack bar over this side as well. As you can see, quite nice. I've not been in it yet, that will be tomorrow. It's just sun going down and we've just arrived, so we're going to have a quick tour of the pool but not actually going in it. I might put my foot in it and have a look, see how cold it is. Not too bad actually. Yeah, definitely have a bit of that tomorrow. I did see a couple of people swimming, not too many but a couple. So I don't know my way around the hotel yet, so I'm just kind of playing it by ear. There's two pools as far as I know here, and then there's another one, a beach bar, which we'll go to probably tomorrow. Just have a quick look here. There's a little, looks like a little splash pool, this one, kids one maybe. But we're on the third floor, looking up there. I'm trying to find my room. I think the window's open. It is the 1, 2, 3, fourth one in and one down from the top. Third floor, I think. And this is the Reader's Pool Bar. I think these close at 6 o'clock. I'm not sure. But hello. So, it's my first time staying at the St George Hotel. We booked it fairly early. Oh, that doesn't look too clean there. It looks like bird mess. Oh, come on, look at that. Have to go into that one until they clean it. Yeah, it's my first time staying at the St George, and it has had quite a lot of good reviews. So that was the reason why we came. We booked it fairly early, that's why we got it, because normally we book, when we come away in April, we book a couple of weeks before, spur of the moment type of thing, not, you know, a day before, but a couple of weeks maximum. But we thought we'd do this one a little bit earlier, so yeah, and it was booked up, so we've looked at it again just before we come. And it's already fully booked, this one, so it's obviously quite popular. I've not seen it appear, and we pretty much come to Cyprus at least once a year. This is a little museum, Agios Georgios Museum. Not sure the museum of what, but I'm sure I'll find out. We'll have a look down by the sea area. Oh, there's a little ship. Quick look in there. Greek, so I can't make out what it says, but very nice. Not sure if that is open. No, I'll walk around. Very nice, huh? As you can see those pictures. Well, I've been to quite a few hotels, but I've never seen one with a museum attached to it. And also I believe there's a chapel. So we will take a look at that as well. Fighting for freedom from the British. Very interesting. Right, we'll take a look down by the sea. Yeah, that was a brief history lesson there, but it's very, I do like history. If anyone's interested in it, obviously there is a lot of history with the British. I'm stumbling over my words there. There still is with the air base, actually, Akrotiri. I think there's another one as well. I can't think of the name of it at the top of my head, but yeah, there is a base here, and obviously they did get independence. Cyprus, I think it was 1965, was it? Something around then. Someone will correct me, I didn't read up on my history, I will do. And then it was invaded in 1974 in northern Cyprus by Turkey, and it still remains like that today. And it's divided in half. The actual capital, Nicosia or Nicosia, is divided in half. But I'm not quite sure what that is there. Quite nice though, these sticks on top of it. There's a little bar there, I think that's closed now, the beach bar. But we'll have a look at all this tomorrow. But that's just a quick look at the pool area and the beach area. Looks fairly nice. This is the sun's about to set. I'd say the sea's probably a little bit warmer than the pool, but I'll be trying both of them. It's been a bit cloudy and unsettled, I think, the past week, but they say it's settling down this week, and we're here for 11 days. So we'll be doing a little blog each day, hopefully, or every other day, as we get familiarised with the actual hotel. There's a little mini chapel there. I like that museum, I have to say. There's a little coastal path here as well, which again we will explore. That's nice to see, I do like that. And also apparently this week we're here, it's Easter weekend, it's the week after the one back home in Europe, Western Europe, so the Greek Orthodox celebrate it a week later, so there may be some things on, hopefully in the villages, celebrating Easter, which we'll have a look at as well. So yeah, all in all it looks like it's going to be pretty interesting. Back up to the beach area. I'll get myself a cocktail while I sit down and watch the sunset. I'll walk into the lobby. I'll show you the lobby from the beach, so it's only like a couple of minutes walk. Also, I think there's quite a few cats floating around. There generally is. I've seen one or two. There's probably a lot more. There's always a lot more. There's a little seating area here, which I'm going to go in and have a cocktail while I watch the sun go down. Yeah, the pool bars are obviously closing at 6 o'clock, this one and the other one. So they've closed now. So there's three there actually, two by the pool and one which is by the sea, which is quite handy. But we'll have a look at all those tomorrow. There's a little fitness bar here, spa, and then you've got the restaurants. So you've got Pelagos, Greek Taverna, Mercato, Italian. I think there's another couple as well. But now the stairs go up to the bar. Obviously, if you don't want to walk, you can get the lift. This is the gym area. Again, we'll go through this properly tomorrow. And there's the wellness centre spa. It's very nice. And there's the dining hall. I think there's two main restaurants, I was told by the guy on reception when we were checking in. But we'll take the spiral staircase. Get a drink at the bar.